Got it. Yeah, my screen is visible, I guess.
Yes, yes.
I'll just start off. So I'll just introduce you with our team. So we are just people with different walks of life. Then that's our inspiration. And what our product is, what we want our users to have. Like we want them to have a streamlined and automated functions, and all the requirements are being fulfilled into a one roof, into a single roof. And our platform is highly customizable. We provide tailor-made solutions to our customers, and we just save you out from a lot of manual work or handiwork, right? So these are, features, some of the features which you get in our system. Like you can see multi-company, multiple currency, you get a variety of charts, and you get different sorts of notifications, and all these things are pretty much possible over here, right? So I'll just take you to a small price, to a pricing front. So you can go to our website, www.onehash.ai.
Okay.
So this is our website. For the pricing front,
We can see. We can see.
we offer. You can see. You cannot see the screen.
No. Just
Now is the screen.
no.
Now I guess you are able to see my screen.
It's perfect right now. Yes.
So we have three type of plans. One is the startup plan, one is the unlimited plan, and one is the ultimate plan. For the startups, you can add on to 7 users, and you don't have to pay any amount. And we provide 1 year free of cost for up to 7 users for the startup like the companies which are incorporated after 1st January 2021. Then we have the unlimited plan, in which you have to just pay $10 per user per month, and the ultimate plan, which is $25 per user per month, in which you get a dedicated manager to keep track of all your requirements and all the implementation. And we don't charge module wise. You get all the modules under a single roof for each license, right? So I'll just give you a short demo. I'll just take you to. Yeah. So you're able to see?
Yes.
So I'll just start off with the CRM. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm just not able to log in. Yeah, got it. So my screen is visible.
Yes.
Great. So this is the home page or the landing page which we have. So as in when you sign up, you get on this page. Here you can see there are various shortcuts present. So according to your company and your requirements, you can have various shortcut cards. Like say suppose you want customer to be your top priority or lead to be your top priority, the dashboard. So accordingly, you can set up your shortcuts very easily, very smoothly. I'll just take you to the CRM front. And other than that, you can see all these modules in the left side, which are aligned. So these are the accounts, assets, build, buying, selling. So you can have your whole CRM as well as the full ERP into a single system, into a single roof, what we say. So one hash, one single roof. I'll just take you to CRM front. We have all these things over here, starting from the lead to opportunity to customer. All these things are over here. I'm probably not able to scroll. Yeah. So I'll just take you to the lead. Lead is nothing but your potential customers. These are the various filters which you can apply to the lead. Say suppose these are the various leads which are present with us. Now say suppose you can also manage your B2B as well as your B2C customers into this lead. Now say suppose there is one lead, Narendra Kumar Yadav. We want to know more about this lead, like where is the lead from and all these corporate details of this lead. You can simply go to Enrich Data. You can click on Profile Enrich. It will ask you for these, just a minute, your email and your phone number. You can just submit it. And here comes all the data of that lead, like starting from a small photograph, then to the name, all these, basic corporate details, the email ID, where he's based out of, all these things can be easily accessible. The educational qualification, relationship, all these things are like easily accessible. So it is basically for the B2C type of customers. Now let me take you to the B2B type of customers. Say suppose we have, I'll just catch off to one of the B2C type of customers. Say suppose it's Reliance Industries. Okay. So presently, just for your information, it's for the Indian companies, but we are expanding it globally, like for the global companies as well. So you just need to click on Enrich Data. You need to click on Finrich. And here you can see all these company highlights, the age of the company status, the directors, and all these corporate details of the company will be very handy. So we believe that if you have already done a good research about your prospective client, then you'll be able to present him a good, you'll be able to have a good presentation in front of them. So that's why we provide you with this, so that you can have a good knowledge about your prospective customer or client. And for that, you don't have to search for the various platforms. You just get it onto one platform. And that's free of cost. The best.
This is the B2B part, yeah?
Yeah, for the B2B, you can go to Finrich and Finrich Plus. Finrich Plus is nothing but an advanced version of Finrich. And for the B2C customers, you can simply go to the Data Enrich. Yeah. So
it's not that hard. It's not that hard to understand how to use it, yeah?
It's very simple. It's very sleek and understandable. But for your information, say suppose if you want to know more about the system, you're stuck somewhere, you don't know from how to head on after that, you can simply go to help. You can go to documentation, and you'll be getting all the documentation. Like if you're stuck somewhere and you don't know how to create a lead. Okay, for an example, just need to go to this document, go to CRM. And here you can get various articles like the customer creation, lead creation, and all these things will be very handy to you. Okay, so it's not at all difficult to use our system. It's very handy, very helpful, and all the help docs are already available to you. I'll just take you back to our demo front, to the instance.
Do you have also support, customer support?
Yeah, we also have this customer support. You can contact us through email, or you can contact us through this customer chatbot, and our team will be there to answer your queries. Right. So I'll just go back to from the lead. Then what you can do is you can go to, you can click it and you can go to click on the opportunity. You can create an opportunity as in when you get to know about the exact details of that lead. You can create an opportunity, and the best thing is you don't have to enter the data again and again.
I see. I think we have internet connection issues. Sometimes it happens when we present projects from abroad, from other countries, like I don't want to mention the name, but this it's a very good CRM. The cost, from my point of view, is very good. So when you pay just $15 per month for an entire CRM, it's very good. Something very nice that I realize, it's also the don't worry, I explain to the community, I explain the community more when you wore out. So it's good.
Yeah, no issues. Actually, there is some issue going on for the internet, but that's okay. That's fine. Then this is the opportunity. All the details of this opportunity of this lead will be fetched into this opportunity, right? And you can have this sales stage like prospecting, or it's in a negotiation stage, or it's in the identification or decision making stage, and all these things over here. So this is a simple opportunity. One good feature which we provide you, which is the comment feature. As soon as you save this opportunity, you get this comment feature down here. Just add your comments over here.
Yeah.
Right. So suppose there is one of your user. So suppose Mohil Jain, and you want to like comment Mohil Jain, please take care of this lead.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just do it. You can just comment it, and this comment will be there, and a similar email will be sent to Mohil, as well as in the notification over here in the bell icon. The Mohil can see this notification that okay, he's been notified for that lead or that opportunity. So similarly, after creating the opportunity, you can either it will be lost or closed, or either it will be created into a quotation. So you can go to quotation. You can add all these things over here. Okay.
Yeah.
The address, contact, currency. Okay. And you can write your items, like what all the requirements are there. If you are into service based company, you can like list down your services needed for this customer. If you are into a product based company, you can list your products. So these are the quotations. So I'll just open an existing quotation. So suppose it's PBS services. So this is the print format which we have for the quotation, and it's highly customizable. Like we can have your company logo over here, or whatever standard print format your company follows, we can duplicate it that for you. Okay. We
Yeah.
can have the terms and conditions, and all these things are there. And in the quotation, say suppose you want to send a direct email, you want to send the attachment of quotation in the form of email to your customers, then you can send it as well. You can just go to email. You can just click on this menu, go to email, and you can write all your consignee's name, and all these things can be easily done. And these messages and all these things are templatized, so you don't have to write it again and again. Once you set your email template, the same template will be sent across to all your customers. So this is the basic gist of the CRM which we have. Other than that, in the CRM, you can have various campaigns. You can create email campaigns and the drip campaigns and all these things. In the lead form and all the forms, we have various views like the list view, the report view. The report also, you can just export it into an Excel sheet. And these columns are also highly customizable. If you wish to remove any of the column, you can remove it. And if you want to add on new columns, you can add them as well. You can export it into an Excel sheet. Then we have the Kanban view, through which you can easily drag and drop all these leads. And then we have this dashboard view. Okay. Other than that, in the CRM, you can like create various email campaigns and all these things over here. And then you have this dashboard. You have beautiful reports for you, which will help you out in the analysis. And these reports are also highly customizable. You can let us know, suppose you want something different from that, so we can customize that as well for you. So these are the reports and the dashboards which we have. So this is the basic CRM, and this is a standard system which we provide. If you want us, and also we provide the tailored made solution to the customer. So if you want something which is not present into that, you can let us know, and we can develop it for you as well. So these are the various integrations, as you said, which we have into the system. These are the direct integrations. Okay. So these are the integrations you can see. So you can directly integrate the backup, Google services, authentication markets, various sorts of payments, all these things into this system. So this is the basic CRM which we have. Other than that, we have whole ERP solution. You can see all these modules. Right. So any question for me up to now?
Yes, I didn't heard about the affiliate program, because we have some affiliates, big affiliates on our community. OneHash has an affiliate program?
As of now, we don't have any affiliate program, but yeah, we in the near future we will surely be having one.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much for